Good morning, my friends. I hope that you're having an awesome day today. And there was a new release for ClickFunnels 2.0 that is how you integrate with Zapier. And if you go back to Zapier, you cannot find it anywhere. So, how do we get access to it? Here's how you do it. Go into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account, and on the top, you're gonna click and you're gonna go into your workspace and you're gonna click Teams and Settings. When you get in there, that will open a brand new page and you're gonna see an option that says Developer Portal. Click Developer Portal and you're gonna see that this will open the options for you can add a new app, or you can actually click Zapier integration. When you click on Zapier integration, you're gonna see this invite in here, and all you have to do is accept the invite. So now, like in traditional Zapier, you will actually think, I'm gonna go and configure the app. So what happened? If you go and you try to look for here on apps, you see on the left, and you try to look for it, say add connection, and you try to funnels, you see the traditional one. So where is it? Here's how you find it. Go and create a new app. And when we are creating a SAP, now you can add it as a trigger or an action. So if I go click trigger, I'm gonna go click funnels, and there it is. There you have the option to now add your account and then look at the event and what it will be. You can create a contact, an order complete, or a subscription paid. Or if you do it as an action, you can actually see that you can now create someone. So if you're getting someone from Facebook or some other system, you want to bring them into your ClickFunnels, now you have it with 2.0. So there you have it, my friends. If you like this video, share it, let me know, leave a comment if you have any other questions, and we'll see you on our next video.